Good job,
Shit, guys. 9-3 curse. Don't worry. We win this.
They think they know pain. They can't begin to comprehend it.
I'm playing here. I'm playing Marshall, right? I feel like I'm playing I feel like I'm playing a sheriff here. They not here, bro. Don't waste that shit. They're going through mid. They're much mid with me, Aries. Don't be a pussy.
What do you want me to do?
They're terrible. They're terrible. Don't worry.
Fine. I know. Yeah, they're over there. They're mid.
Enemy spotted mid.
One on right, one on left. You got this, bro. Don't worry.
Shit.
It's all you.
Last
Fuck, I couldn't hear them.
Good.
Alright.
Spike planted.
What is happening to Levi's gun? Is that happening to anybody else?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's happening to me. Dude, it's just having a good time.
One enemy.
Okay!
Stim beacon here.
Damn, the back of the blue skin goes hard.
Fully smoked.
That's all of them! Yo, Levi's crazy.
Thank you.
Clutch.
Grab a Vandal.